I wanted to be a good role model, especially for my daughters. And honestly, till now, I felt like I wasn't a good enough mother. I wasn't a good enough, definitely not a role model. If I'm putting myself down, what do I expect from them? And it was something, just a voice inside me. Not that I always thought everyone's looking at me that way too. So walking anywhere, doing anything, all the time, the only thing that was running through my head is I'm fat, I'm not, the way I want to be. And it was very negative to some extent, with some like depression with it too, right? That this was something that was really, really eating me 24/7, literally. I feel like with all the things that I tried so far, there was always a missing link. It was just that cycle of, trying to do it, but really not getting anything out of it. Max I reached was maybe 30, and then I would kind of fall apart. So I was scared. I was like, okay, am I ever going to get to where I need to get to? Because that fear was there now, that I'm going to fail no matter what. So should I even bother to try? I was just not in good health. Like I would climb few steps and I was out of breath. So in that sense, physically, my knees are much better. I don't have the swollen ankles anymore. I definitely can climb a lot more stairs now than I started off with. Like in terms of weight, 90 pounds down is huge. So every time I look at it, I'm like, seriously, 90, me? I did it. And like, it's huge. It is huge. I went from double XL to an extra small. Whenever I look at those tags, I can't believe it. I can't even share my emotions. It's amazing. It's amazing. Mentally, it's lifted me up a lot. And now I can actually be that role model to my daughters and to my son and my nephews. So it's huge. We're all, in it together now. And it's like, it's not something like any other program. It's not like it's all uphill and it's going to be so great. There are going to be downfalls, and that's where it's been so amazing that you guys are supportive and you've brought us right back up to where we are. And that's where the mindset change comes too, that you start learning slowly that it's okay for me to fall, but I know I'm going to get up. And I always love I'm not a victim. I'm a warrior. I can get through this. So please join. You have to join. Say the only thing you have to lose is the weight and nothing else. You won't be losing anything else out of this. Amazing coaches. You guys are like so supportive, love you to death. And I can't even, like, any praise I have for you guys is not enough. That's what I have to say. You guys are just amazing. Not only do you get the weight loss part of the journey, I always feel, and I say to anyone that I'm recommending to, it's a mind makeover you're getting with it. A lifestyle makeover and a mind makeover. It's not just about here's your exercise and here's your meal plan, go do it and we'll be here if you need us, because that's not going to work. And we've learned that, especially from you guys. You need the coaches, and without the coaches, it's not doable. You guys are so inspiring. Love you guys to death. Really, really. You have given me a new life. I'm finally feeling what it's like to be me. I haven't felt that ever. I've held it inside for too long. Didn't know what it was until you guys came along. So thank you. Really need to give you guys a big hug, because you guys have been amazing throughout this journey. And I love you guys. Really, really.